Today we will take in something different from what I have been coming with you. I want to just give you a little trick on how to multiply decimal numbers. Should there be any reason where you have that question in your exam and you don't have a calculator, or your calculator just develop fault. So multiplying decimal numbers. So let me just pick a question. We'll pick one or two questions to solve, then we'll see how we can do it. So the first one, they ask to multiply 2.86 by 0.02. So most students have problem when we are multiplying this. So I will just tell you that what you should do is that you neglect the decimal point first. Just pick out the number, neglect the decimal point. Just say 286 multiplied by 2. You know, I've neglected these values, this one. So 2 times 6 is 12. We write 2, keep 1. 2 times 6 is 6. 2 times 8 rather is 16. Plus 1 is 17. Remaining 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So now we have gotten 572 when we remove the decimal point. So the next thing we now go back to how many values do we have in the decimal point, in the first number and the second number. So looking at this 2.86, we have two values after the decimal point. Looking at this also, we have two values after the decimal point. So making 2 plus 2 equals to 4. So you now count the numbers, the answer you got from the right to the left. 1, 2, 3. So there is no that value here. Since there is no that value, you replace it with 0. So making 1, 2, 3, 4. You put your decimal point here, then your 0 will be here. So on the long run, we have 2.86 times 0.02 to give us 0.0572. So you can take your calculator out to cross-check the answer to this. Let's take another question. Let me pick another question. Let me say example 2. 21.85 by multiplied by I can just pick a number. I can say 1.4. So like I said in the previous class, in the previous example, that you neglect the decimal point. Just say that 21.85, that's 2085 multiplied by 14. So we say 4 times 5 is 20, write 0, keep 2. 4 times 8 is 32, plus 2, that's 34, we keep 3. 4 times 1 is 4, plus the 3 we kept, that's 7. 4 times 2 is 8. So 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 8, 8. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 2, 2. So you add the values together. So we have 0, we have 9. Sum plus 8 is 15, write 5, keep 1. 8 plus 1, 9 plus the 1, 10, write 0, keep 1. Then this 2 plus that 1, 3. So we have 30590. So don't forget that we have some values after the decimal point. So we have two values here. We have a value here, making 3. So we count from the right towards the left. We have 1, 2, 3. So therefore our value will be 30.590. Thank you.